Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you what is SEMRush and what does it do. Let's begin. SEMRush is a powerful online visibility management and content marketing platform used by marketers and website owners to improve their online presence and performance. It offers a wide range of arrays of tools and features aimed at assisting with a search engine optimization or SEO, PPC or pay-per-click, advertising, content marketing, social media management, and competitive research. Now, before we can try to utilize all the powerful tools of SEMRush, we need to create our account here if we haven't done so. So let's click on the try SEMRush for free, and basically if you already have an account here, all you're gonna do is log in using your account. You can use your Google, obviously, or the email associated with your SEMRush account. But if you don't have yet, click the sign up button. And again, similar process. You can use any business or working email and just follow the on-screen instructions and you have created your first account here. Now the next step is, now here's what SEMRush can do for your website. They have, of course, the keyword research, the competitive analysis right here, the site audit, this one, and the backlink analysis, and of course the PPC analysis or pay-per-click. All right, they also have the social media management we are going to tackle later. But for example, you can start optimizing your online presence, and projects lets you keep all your website data in one place and try to track your progress. Now, if you don't have a website yet, you might want to search for a competitor's site to see the secrets of what they are doing, why they are number one in the Google research. If you type in, for example, a different niche, for example, you're looking for a motor or a vehicle kind of market. All right, you're selling car parts and all of that. Now, I'm specifically looking at this website, A-Tech Motorsports, because I'm planning to, of course, sell vehicle parts, be a reseller. So I wanted this specific website to check if what can I copy from this specific website and why is it very successful in terms of the ranking in the Google results. Why is it performing well? They have a lot of leads in terms of sales and whatnot. All right. What I want you to do is copy the website itself and of course switch back to the SEMRush. All I'm gonna do is enter the website name. That is if you don't have the website yet. For example, you're planning to steal or not really steal, like get some ideas on how it's being done. All right. Click the Start Now option. This is also available if you already have your website, so you can check what's lacking in one area or one department. Click the Start Now option, and from here you would be able to get a lot of information about this specific website. But of course, you have to wait for a few, like it takes a little time, right? Now, the following keywords have lost their ranking, so we don't want to deal with that. Okay. Now, I want you to click the organic research. All right, so now from this example, in terms of the keywords, all right, SEMRush provides insight into the keywords your competitors are ranking for. All right, and as you can see, it's around 673,000 some raising, as well as suggestions for new keywords to target. All right. And this helps you optimize your content to attract more organic search traffic. Now, in terms of the backlink analysis, as you can see, backlinks are a very important factor in SEO, and SEMRush provides insights into the backlinking analytics or profiles of the specific websites of your competitors. You can see which websites are linking to yours as well as the authority of those websites, because when you click the backlink analytics, you will be forwarded to a new page here where you can get more information about them. All right, you can have these are the root domain category. Okay, you can have an option for bank linking. So for example, if they have the text for 98%, image is just a little bit low, and these are the link attributes. You can also check the backlinking sites that they have been using. All right, so these are that. You can also switch on the sections for active, new, and lost. And you see the percentage right here. All right, that is from June and until May. So there's a difference of minus 177 or 2%. All right, and these are the referring domains and the referring IPs. All right. Now, when you look back again in terms of the domain overview, let's go ahead back again to the specific website. Now, ATEC Motorsports does like have a 33 authority score, and worldwide it has a 100% traffic share, 93% in the US. All right, so they're above in terms of the market for the US, Canada, and Russia, right? You can also go to the keywords right here, because you see this one, these are the main organic competitors of the specific website. From ATEC Motorsports, these are the competitors: ATEC Racing, ATECinfo.com, ATECtraining.com, ATEC.edu, and data here to there.com. Right? You can also manage to check the competitive positioning map right here on where you stand if you already have the website, or if you're trying to look for the info. And these are the sample text ads. Now, let's head over to the social media. Okay, these are the social media analytics for this specific website, because remember, while not as robust as a dedicated social media management tools, SEMRush of course does offer some basic social media management features, including the ability to schedule posts and track engagement metrics. But the thing is, 7 days are free. It's all in them. It's $29.99% per month, or dollars per month. All right, so it's up to you if you wanted to integrate SEMRush to your social media analytics. But again, I suggest before you dive into all of these, you might want to check on the pricing, all right, before you take some commitment. Okay, so now I'm using the free, of course, the free plan. If obviously it's limited, but if you wanted to scale up and you wanted to, of course, make your website a little bit go to the ranks further, you might want to try the pro plan, which is $129 per month. You can try it for free, and I believe you have 7 days to take advantage of the platform to see if SEMRush is the right tool for you. All right, and of course you can cancel any given time. But if you pay annually, you'll save up to 17%. But I'm not suggesting that, because I wanted you to test waters for now. And if you plan to scale up eventually the business, which is $499 per month, but I suggest you go for a demo first and talk to a sales professional team from the SEMRush to give you what it does and what is the difference between all these plans and pricings. And I believe that being said, I believe that's it for today's video. SEMRush, I believe, is a comprehensive toolkit for digital marketers looking to improve their online visibility, drive more traffic to their websites, and outperform their competitors in search engine results page. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.